Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add overlay video in Capcut PC. What you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel and give a like. Okay, how to add overlay video in Capcut PC. When you are in your project, just search for the overlay video. Just you can import it from your PC, or just you can search in library. Okay, here in the library I search for snowing winter, and this one, and after that go to import and import your video. I already have one here, just add it. Okay, now move to the move overlay up, and then here adjust the duration. Okay, and then here right in the right sidebar, just scroll down, and here blend mode, click on it, and then select overlay, and then here for the opacity just decrease it. Okay, maybe 35%. And now just we can check the video. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know how to add overlay video in Capcut PC. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.